Your animation doesn't need money or experience. In 5 minutes, we build smooth, consistent AI animation live with 100% free tools. Stay to the end for a powerful consistency prompt. It's free. It works. You won't animate without it. If you skip, you'll miss how to use the prompt correctly. There's a simple step that turns it from good to game-changing. I'll show it in this video. I'll also show you exactly where to get this prompt. Stay to the end. I'll reveal it and link it in the pinned comment and the description. Step 1. Generate a complete animation script. 0 writing needed. First, we create a full animation-ready story in seconds. Watch this part closely. This is the method that makes the prompt work. Open ChatGPT. Paste the special prompt from the description. This prompt is beginner-friendly and pro-level. Copy, paste, generate. In under 30 seconds, you get everything you need. A short, visual-friendly story script, detailed character descriptions, a master consistency line for stable visuals, ready-to-use text-to-image prompts, image-to-video instructions as well. Your animation foundation is done for you. No writing, no guesswork. Plug-and-play creativity. You are not just starting, you are starting like a pro. Step 2. Generate the character and visuals. Many free image tools limit you and add watermarks. Today, we generate unlimited images with no watermark. For image generation, we use Qwen AI, open QuinEye. Select image generation, return to ChatGPT. Copy the first character prompt, paste it into Qwen. Set aspect, ratio to 16:9. Click generate. In seconds, your first character appears with strong detail, no watermark. Download it instantly. Repeat for the second character. Same style, same details. Now make the scene images. Copy the first scene prompt, paste it into Qwen, and generate. You'll see the character stay consistent. Do the same for the second scene. Copy, paste, generate. Look at that. Consistent character and consistent details. This is a game changer for free users. Generate all your images the same way. Every shot keeps the same character and the same level of detail. After you've got everything, it's time to animate them one by one. Step 3. Animate the visuals. We will use Grok to add motion. Grok Music is a completely free video generator. Go to Grok, open the Imagine page, upload your first scene image from Qwen, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image to video prompt, paste it into Grok, click Make a Video. In 5 to 10 seconds, your animation renders. Faces look expressive and detailed, perfect for story animation. Upload the second image, copy the second video prompt, paste and generate. Within seconds, your second clip is ready. The quality is excellent and watermark-free. Animate the remaining images the same way. Then download each clip one by one. Step 4. Generate the narration using 11 Labs. A strong voiceover can change your entire story. We will use 11 Labs Text-to-Speech. Go to 11labs.io. Sign in with Google. New users get 10,000 free credits. That covers 5 to 6 minutes of voice. Choose text-to-speech. Copy your narration from ChatGPT. Paste each section into 11 Labs. Open voices. Choose a deep voice that fits your animation. You can use a ready-made voice or create a voice with a prompt. Click Generate. Preview the audio. Download the file. Step 5. Combine everything in CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor. Create a 1080p project at 24 frames per second. Import your animated clips to media and the timeline. Import the narration and place it under the video. Trim and split clips to match the voice. Beats. Add transitions between clips for smooth flow. Use simple, consistent transitions. Add sound effects for movement and actions. For walking shots, add walking sounds. Add background music from the YouTube audio library. Place the music on the lower track. Reduce the music to -20 dB. When everything feels tight, export the video. I recommend exporting in 2K. That is your complete animation made completely free. Where to download the prompt? Check the pinned comment and the description. If this helped, like and subscribe. Hit the bell. Thanks for watching.